Say it again.
Oh. Now the fun starts. End of an era for you, but more to come. Goodbye.
Cheers to the last tour.
It's Little Mix Day.
Ah. Let's go, bitches. Bye. It's Little Mix Day. Let's go. It's the last first day ever. Oh no.
Dad, look at you.
We're with the gang. Oh, I zoomed in, wait. Do that again. Cheers. 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 Oh. It would only be cake. Ready for Little Miss. I got some sparkles on my face. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. And then in there we got this is the fit check. Fit checks. This is the fit check. I'll do a little fit check. Can you see the glitter? No.
Come here. Get it.
I just fit check. Sorry.
This one is the looking setting.
This is the fit check.
Tragically true. It's the only bird I can get.
Last ever opening show. They have not left the tissues out. Okay, so since September, they are so good. Oh, unreal. Their best support act.
Rachel already cried.
I've already cried, yeah.
So that's good.
So we're not gonna talk about that. They're on in 10 minutes. Double fuck. Wait for it.
It's been a very long time since we've been on the stage. And as soon as we came up, and I saw lovely faces in the crowd, I thought, this is what I love! This is what we do it for!
This is the fit check. Ready for it? Day 2. Okay, let's go. Glitter!
Let's go.
Nice. So it is day 2 and we're going to Little Mix. Ugh, I just have it all in my mouth. Say hi. Hi. Hey. It's time for tour. I'm not even looking at this crossing the bridge. That's grand. We got sparklies on our eyes again.
I'm gonna go all out for Dublin show and put them all over my face.
Yeah,
Like a Jenna Marbles.
I'm gonna do mine as like little freckles and Dublin.
Oh yeah, I might do mine like just dip my face, like put the glue all over and just put my face in the bottom. Manny ankle.
We're in our seats. Our seats are so good. The Little Mix tradition. It's a tradition.
Sometimes the heart can sing like the stone until you find home. I say I'm loving me now. Shout out to my ex, you really got the man. You make my heart break and I give you who I am. Never can my magic come to myself. So now don't give it to me. When I say that I'm gonna show you.
We are done Belfast. Meg's eating her chips.
I'm not gonna lie, thank God.
Yeah.
This city is a nightmare.
Yeah. Why can you not find one single taxi?
There's no taxis. There's no apps for taxis that
No.
work. A disaster. We stood at the fucking arena for what, an hour last night after the show?
Yeah.
Disaster.
But that's
Other
a
than
wrap on Belfast City.
2 nights
Yes.
down, 8 to go.
Ah!
For now.
Yes.
Oh my God, Callum came over to us.
Oh my God,
their
yeah.
photographer, and just filmed us while they
Yeah.
were singing. We were like,
We're good for like 40 seconds.
I felt longer. Well,
Yeah.
obviously probably wasn't, but we were
Yeah.
just like, okay.
No, it was so good.
It was really good. So
But
we might be on the little videos. I'm
keep an eye for our faces.
but we will see.
That's a wrap on Belfast. See you later and
Dublin,
watch Dublin.
round 1.
Yes. Goodbye.